Big up Crosses TV.
Me not laugh with the Crosses TV, you know. Me not laugh with you.
Yeah, all who under the comment section. Mom want the big pussy brightening. Big pussy brightening and then that dirty suck good man. We suck to like a dog. Yeah man, Odisha black them. What about after him man? After him man. Same thing me say this man, you know. Same thing me say this man Odisha. So me no want nobody ask me no question, me nobody come on me like. We don't look Odisha I'm over sexy ray. Over sectionalized scream record. They want you there and they deal with me. Oh, you have man problem. Willie never want him ray. Me can't have man problem. Me can't have man problem because me now walk with drop through this. No man never drop through this, so me can't have man problem. As one guy, one band. So if I went born for me sad, that at least have my problem. Someone of a go away. Cause you don't have think whole problem, think more problem, hairstyle problem, teeth close problem. Now clean house problem. Someone of a go away. Me can't have man problem. Unless the man in the pan the blood clot and can no boy could fuck pa me and me say I do not too enough. You just can't know my business, you not too blood clot enough. I can't have man problem no time. I'm training on this face here. I know boy not drop through you so. Yeah, idiot, you not too enough. You not too enough for someone have bigger problem than blood clot me. Me not want no explanation. And if me want to come by and look sad, I not feel like it don't nothing up to me. Cause me never beg me never say shoot by me a phone. Fire some blood clot because someone have think more problem. Think hole problem, barrack clothes problem, orange problem, clean house problem, hairstyle problem, oh you just a problem, cheesy food problem. That you never go worry about. Don't worry about me. No want no explanation. Me not want no explanation. If me want come by and look at them, if me want come by and ball it up to me. And if me want ball over money up to me. Cause last time I check and if I want to build my ball of God. So if me want ball over man for my business that. Or not too enough. You don't know what people are sad over. I don't care going to people business. You just hurt on the feelings. You just want chat up on the thinking mode. Too enough man. Too little bit enough. Too enough. Too enough. Pinky go suck your mama to and lift up. Pitney problem, all kind of problem. Someone walk and give one a pitney like a post blood clot kid. Now Unuh have problem. Unuh have problem if you move for yourself. Someone breathe every Sunday, have pitney every Monday. Someone walk and give one a pitney like a post kidney. Someone think more problem, think whole problem, all kind of problem. Someone nobody combo me over yourself. Nobody combo me over blood clot yourself. Don't come about me over here, so not too enough. Two people not telling them business. You know that scream record that talk about people have man problem. And woman never want for woman them. Me sure the last time I check in, me sure say my man want me. And every girl man fuck pan them. Say if that do not come, me do not idiot. Cause no man could fuck pan me and me sad. Cause a boy fuck pan me go fuck back. And call it a day. And post a new one and then no say me love man. So me don't know wanna come about. Wanna come but me cannot have man problems on Unuh no Dyema. Too enough. And I Unuh have problem. True me not come tell me blood clot business. You know make me over your sad. I don't want my business. I don't care no my business. Unuh take up, you put power on your head. I chat about man problem. Me not want no explanation. Me not want she and the old lady no explanation. Say me want come on my phone screen and me want sit down sad. If me want ball it up to me, any problem me have it up to me. Me not beg do no solve my problem. No come kiss my pussy and box the whole of the jar them. I want to come take on no teeth and play TikTok to a snake and then my pussy tongue and move. Drunkro. Dog. Move. Shit pit. Alright. Come on, we could have man problem and company and sad so. Could I have man problem and company and blood clot sad so. When I idiot, do me have man problem, me no sad. If man is my problem, I go look at you man and happy. Me no do sadness when I'm man time. Me no do sadness for man time. No time at all. Must be crazy. You don't know me? Uno no know me. So if uno normally see me come by your side, so you see if me come by your side, uno must know the situation really bad. And if me don't feel like it, I don't know, I mean go and me don't want to explain it. Me just know say me have a problem, I feel like it can sit up on my life. And for me look followers me feel like it can ball with me followers if they want ball with me, ball with me. Me no uno no blood clot explanation. I know sure I know say Dyema have man problem. Cause as one gun, one band, so when I eat that, uno no sense. Uno sure going on the head back and I say, boy, we never see Dyema so sad yet. Anything what happen to Dyema most serious because we never see Dyema so sad yet. I like trendy. Make man problem could make me blood clots and cause me a man problem. We are idiot. If me have man problem, go rise a new man and get rid of the next one off of my mind. No, how me? When if uno come by and see me sad so, uno should know say something must deep because me no normally sad. Me no normal. We a go through man problem. Me never sad it. Me come over here and tell you about the man them and talk say, who you know say the boy this and the boy that, so all the blood clot me if you have man problem. If uno follow me up and follow me up on the son are true fans of me, uno never see me sad yet. So if uno come here, one time uno see me sad like this, uno must know say really deep. Cause uno never see me sad on the internet yet for uno know me never. No care how me I go to mold it like a G. So if uno see me really get that down, uno supposed to know say alright then it really deep. Yeah, if you don't really follow me like that, I don't know Dyema and follow me for Instagram days or people follow me like that. Nobody never see me sad yet. All the problem I like me patch left and right and center me stay up. So when you don't see me break down that sad, you must know say it really deep. And sometimes people have them problems, it's so deep that you can't even explain it. I mean, don't owe nobody no explanation. I call my mother, my father, my sister, my auntie, my uncle. Me don't owe nobody no explanation. Say me feel like me want to sad and sit down and play two gospel, play two songs. It up to me. You don't just pray me if you don't like me, if you don't like me, you just move along. I said to me in life this man talking to him, never ask me questions. I said, nobody ask me nothing. Because all I know that we upon screamer car if you go around and go on and go this up people. See him so said done. The life could have done for a man and see me over sexy ray and have screamer car there and then over there diss me up. But oh sure, she have man problem. I want big old girl named Unique. Oh Dyema want one man to calm him down. Unique, you want one man to teach up a big old church out hole. Because last time I checked no man no want you. And for your whole can hold no cocky kind big done stretch out and spread out. And brightening boss. The last time me blood clot your body fuck out, stretch out, done out. Fuck out, suck out. Cause I don't know if man can in a comment section of this up woman. You clear man. Nasty thinking brightening, you come big woman, you must big woman. I want to take my drawers and bag your blood clad face. I use my G-string and tie your teeth. Drunkro. Me I tell you, I'm boss lady. Like I'm a shirt, man. Yeah, Nikki. Why would I speak? What's up, mama? Too enough, man. The dirty thinking one name. Let me go look back on their name. Come here, rub them over here. So me look back on their name and rub out them dirty blood clot. Andrea, as you know, Andrea know as some say I have to rub them out. Pussy hole. Make I go back go look for their name and rub out them blood clot one. Can go back go look. And dirty Maya. Dirty one Maya. Dirty one Maya. Nasty one Maya. Nasty piss bed one Maya. Where the man say fuck you piss in bed as you not used to AC. Move your blood clot oh. What she right say? Laugh out loud. We make it in a serious man argument with me man. And find out say him cheat. Maya you have man problem. Me not have no man problem Maya. Cause last time I check no boy and drop through my crutches. One Maya go suck your mama and dive through your mama. And use a map and map out your mama big Scotia bank pussy. One Maya you me attack. Go chuck to your mama, arrest your mama, me go answer over here so. Shit. Shit pit blood clot, girl. Shit pit one Maya. Shit pit one Maya. And you have problem one Maya last time I check shit pit. Your face stuff like a Remington blood clot steel. Thank God for filter cause someone ugly plus tax. One Maya move your blood clot and go set a bucket on the hole, your big dirty church out hole and stop drain out. And go worry about that. That if you go worry about Maya, that if you go worry about. Go set a bucket on your big fuck out pussy with the drain. Guy they flood out the whole of your house on the bed. Cause set a bucket on your done hole. Chopper is you trendy. Anybody enough up themselves shit pit. I carry alone, me see over the screen record that's a pick up for me. I want dirty man boy named Brightening Boss. Uno too enough. Uno too enough and loving that people business. Uno too enough. Uno too little bit enough. Everything uno talk about man problem, everything uno talk about man. Uno alone have uno little giddy head girl, uno alone have man problem, you know. And uno alone, you see all who love that we have man problem, uno man no one. Cause nobody has no man problem. Nobody has to have a man problem. Nobody has to have a man problem. Uno just too enough cause nobody right has to have a man problem. Nobody right has to have a man problem. Someone mix up over here, me start play one match now, it will uno gone. Uno stink of shit like a crab. Uno fi go on, man.